In this quick Photoshop tutorial I will show you how to remove objects in Photoshop, and we can do that very easily. For this we'll be using the healing brush tool. You can find it right here if you right click on it, and also you can access it by holding J on your keyboard, J as in John, okay? So if you hold J, you will be able to use this tool without clicking on it from here. And if you right click on it, you'll notice you have many tools inside. From here you will be using two of them more often, the first one the spot healing brush and the healing brush tool. I'll show you the first one what it does. Basically now, when you'll hold the left click, you will tell Photoshop, hey, I want to correct something which I highlighted inside, and Photoshop basically will automatically remove or repair what you'll highlight inside. And now the second one is also very important. I will select it, and this one is slightly different. Now when you hold J on your keyboard, also hold the Alt on your keyboard, and now you have to click on a point. As an example, let's click on this corner of the table, and now you will take a part from there, and basically you can paint with the texture from where you select. Let's Ctrl and Z all this, and in the upper left side of the screen you will find the size of the brush. From here you can make it smaller or bigger depending on your project, and the hardness is basically the intensity of the healing brush. Now let's increase the hardness to 100, and the size of the brush is alright for me. And let's use the spot healing brush to remove this cup of coffee from the picture. You'll have to highlight what you want to remove inside, and let's paint nicely this cup of coffee. Alright, once you're done, release the click and Photoshop will try its best to remove it, but sometimes will do mistakes. Now you can continue to paint it until it will match the best it can, but as you can see it looks very unusual. Let's use the second tool from here, the healing brush tool, and now let's take a texture from, I don't know, from here, and let's paint with this texture. And now it's starting to look better. Alright, and we remove that cup of coffee. So this is how to remove objects in Adobe Photoshop. I hope this Photoshop tutorial helped you out, and thanks a lot for watching.